My mother, she was orange, and my father, he was green. Hi, and welcome back to my channel, my precious little babies. So this week we are going to be making some childhood crafts, but elevated. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. So I don't know where I got this idea per se. I was just laying around one night in bed and I thought, oh my god, I used to make all these like childhood crafts and they used to be so much fun and like they're easy to do. But I thought, what if I make them better? I make them a tad unique as an adult, you know? I'm an adult. What we're going to do is make a God's Eye box. Because I think that would be fun and I think that would be really cute. So let's go get my yarn and everything. Good morning. So another childhood craft that I'm sure we've all done at some point is making those paper boats, right? So I thought the way that we would make it more cool is maybe we can look up a tutorial for how to make like a cool boat out of paper, like an origami boat or something. But if we can't do that, we can just make a normal boat and make it pretty. So let's just get some paper and let's start folding some stuff. Okay, so we're gonna be following this tutorial from Spruce Crafts. So I guess I'll link it down below for funsies if you guys want to do this. So we're just gonna follow this instructions. I'm so nervous. Oh, this paper is so thick. I think this is meant, well, it's meant for origami. I don't have origami paper. Ugh. I don't think I like, I mean, it looks cute, but like, it doesn't float or stand. And it only looks good from one side. Because what is this? Oh my god. Alright, we're just gonna glue this.
Shake, shake, shake that medicine!
That's the only way it will stand, but I don't like it. What the heck is this? Oh my god. Alright, we're gonna go to plan B. Well, instead of this, we're just gonna make a paper boat that like actually can float, because I kind of want to like go take some videos with the boat in the water. Okay. Alright, I'm not gonna look up a tutorial because I feel like I remember how to do this. I think this is all we do.
Ashamed of yourself? Are you not embarrassed? This is really embarrassing.
Alright, let's backtrack really quick. Okay, bum. Alright, let me look up a tutorial. Oh, okay. So I had missed some steps. I wish this part was like a little bit more higher. And now it's time to decorate our boat. I'm gonna glue these flaps down really quick. Okay. Nope. The first thing that we're gonna do is seal this in with some clear Mod Podge to just make sure this stays intact and so that it has structure. And then after that, that's when the fun begins and we'll start decorating it. I hope this doesn't warp the paper too much, but who cares? next craft is going to be Gimp. So I'm obsessed with this stuff. I think it's like so much fun. This is like a rainbow one. It's so cool. So this used to be like my favorite thing to do as a kid, and I'd make like the 4 one, or I'd make like the 6 one. But this is, well, it's 6 strings, but it's in total it's 3 times 4 is 12. Okay, so it's like 12 strings, so it is going to be pretty difficult to do. So that's what is going to make this extra, is all the different strings and everything like that. This is going to take a while. So it's a pretty easy process. Now we just have to do this 20,000 more times. I'll update you. I think we're done with this thing. It's long enough. It's a little imperfect, but I think that's just my technique. So now what we're gonna do is just tie it off at the ends so that it's secure, it won't fall apart. And my favorite part about this is the noise that it makes. Let me make sure that you guys can hear it. Now the very last step is to put a jump ring on it. So let me do that really quick. And now it's a cute little keychain. Boom! Welcome to the end of the video. I hope you guys like my makeup. I went a little crazy today. So this week has been a pretty interesting week just because I haven't done a video like this. I will be honest. I don't like it. I took a chance, I took a risk, and it didn't go the way that I planned. And that's okay, because sometimes you know, every video can't be a banger, but I tried my best, and the only thing I realized is that kid crafts kind of suck. But at the same time, it's okay. Is it? No. Okay, so the things that we made this week, let's just go over them. So I made this little, it's like a cube made out of God's eyes, and I did turn them around because I thought it looked better like that. I just like the X's on all the sides, and I do really like this craft. I think it's pretty cute and pretty like fun. I think I'm gonna like put this up on my shelf so you'll be able to see it. The next thing that we attempted to make was a boat. Oh wait, where's my name? Oh, there it is. Called it the SS Cherry. What does the SS stand for? Like, I know a lot of boats have SS, sea sail, sail seaward. Anyways, this was our cute little boat. I really like that it's shiny, and I did take it onto, like, to a river somewhere near me, and I released it, and I made sure to bring it back. Here it is, so that you're not mad at me for littering, because I don't want to litter, but I did want a cute little video of the boat doing its thing. And that's what we did as kids. Like, we would just make the boat, put it in the water, and then it would slowly drown. I wish this boat, like, I love this one. This one is so freaking cute. But my only problem with it is that it's like flat, so you can't do anything with it but put it up as a decoration. And that was not the goal. And the last thing that we made, which is my favorite thing, was this Gimp thing, this rainbow thing. with any Gimp, like, it's never perfect for me unless I make the 4 or 2x2, because it, like, as it stretches out, it produces different results. But I think it's really cute. I'm definitely gonna put it on my keychain or maybe give it to one of my friends or something. I think it's really cute, and I had the most fun with this because it's just like a mindless activity that you can just do, you know. It's like really, it's almost like a fidget thing, you know, because it's like repetition over and over and over again, and it kind of like decreases my anxiety just a tad, and it was really fun to do, so I really enjoyed it. So that's all the things that we made this week. I'm a perfectionist, and when I'm not perfect, it kind of ruins my day. But it's fine. I'm not going to let it ruin my day because I'm going to use my coping skills and understand that sometimes things don't go as planned, and that's okay. Because if they always went to plan, I'd be happy all the time, and who wants that? Everyone. I hope you enjoyed watching me struggle just a little bit. I feel like it's always fun watching people mess up and struggle with whatever that they're doing, because it just makes it more entertaining, because everything went to plan. It would just be you watching the video, but I know there's some part of you that's like, that's not how you do it, because I do that too. It's okay. Anyways, aside from all the jokes, that's how I cope. Aside from all the jokes, I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I know it's not like my typical video, but that was the kind of the point, as I wanted to branch out and try something different. And I have all these ideas that I have all the time, and so I wanted to like make some of them come to life. It is time for that time to say goodbye to my precious little babies. Thank you so much for watching till the end, and I hope you have a wonderful day, because you deserve it. Probably. I always have to say that. And I will say bye-bye. Until next time. Bye. I look like a sad clown. I want to be that girl from Spy Kids. You know how like her hair went like, she would like zoom off with her hair. Am I doing it?